Bnas ay hindi lang basta paaralan. Sa itong lugar kung saan ang edukasyon at kalikasan ay nagsasama. Malawak ang campus at napapalibutan ito ng mga puno at taniman, kaya't presko ang hangin at relaxing ang paligid. Perfect para sa mga gustong mag-aral habang nasa kalikasan. Isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit kilala ang Bnas ay dahil sa kanilang agricultural programs. Dito, hindi lang sa libro natututo ang mga estudyante. Hands-on ang pagtuturo, may mga taniman, poultry at iba pang pasilidad kung saan natututunan ang modernong pagsasaka at pag-aalaga ng hayop. Student life dito ay hindi boring. May iba't ibang activities tulad ng sports, cultural events at syempre, ang mga programang nagpapalalim ng kaalaman sa agrikultura. Bukod dyan, masaya at parang pamilya ang samahan dito. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng paaralan na may maganda at tahimik na kapaligiran, dekinladad na edukasyon at hands-on na training sa agrikultura, ang Baggao National Agricultural School ang para sa'yo. Huwag nang magdalawang isip, bisitahin niyo na ang Bnas.
Huwag ka sanang magtanong at magduda. Gusto ko makita isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina.
Magandang araw! Welcome sa aming paaralan, ang Baggao National Agricultural School, kung saan bawal ang tamad pero welcome ang antok. Charot! Ang campus namin ay malawak kaya siguradong mapapalakas ang legs mo sa kakalakad. Ako si Ariel, lumaki sa Batangas, maingay, makulit at adventurous. At itong mga bago kong kaibigan sa aking eskwelahan. Tara na't samahan niyo kaming maglakbay sa Baggao National Agricultural School.
Hi everyone! Welcome to our vlog! We are the Smart Squad!
And today, we are excited to take you inside the heart of our second home, the
Baggao National Agricultural School!
Our school is not just about books and exams. It's a place where dreams take flight, talents are nurtured, and friendships are built for life. From the moment you walk through our gates, you'll feel the vibrant energy of our community. In this vlog, we'll show you what makes Baggao National Agricultural School unique. You'll see our inspiring classrooms where ideas come to life, our state-of-the-art facilities like the library, computer labs, gym, and others. And of course, our lush grounds where we unwind and connect with nature.
But that's not all. We'll also take you behind the scenes of some of our favorite activities. We'll introduce you to a few of our amazing teachers and classmates and share what makes every day here truly special.
Whether it's academics, sports, arts, or leadership, there is something here for everyone. So get ready to experience the spirit of Bnas, where every student is encouraged to shine in their own way. Hi everyone! Welcome to our school's main campus. Today, I'll give you a quick tour and show you what makes our junior high school special. Let's go! This is our main campus, where students from different grade levels come together. It's big with lots of facilities for learning and activities. Over here is the admin building, where the principal and staff work to keep everything running smoothly. Now, let's head to the junior high area. This is where we have our classrooms designed to help us focus and learn. Our teachers are really dedicated, making every subject interesting and fun. Our junior high school is more than just classrooms. It's a place where we grow, learn, and make memories. Hi everyone! Today, I am taking you inside one of the most exciting spaces in our school, the computer lab. This isn't just a room full of computers, it's where creativity meets technology, and where we prepare ourselves for the digital future. Whether we're learning programming, exploring graphic design, diving into research, or simply enhancing our tech skills, the computer lab is the place where all the magic happens.
In this vlog, I'll show you around and introduce you to the amazing tools of resources we have there. I also share a sneak peek of how we use this space.
And let's not forget about the incredible teachers who guide us every step of the way, making sure we're ready to take on the world of technology. Shout out Ma'am Larcy and Sir Jade!
Junior high at Bnas isn't just about academics, it is about discovering who we are and what we can achieve. Our days are packed with engaging lessons, fun activities, and opportunities to grow in all aspects of life.
In this vlog, I'll take you on a tour of our classroom, where subjects like math, science, English, and others come to life through interactive learning.
You'll also see our amazing extracurricular programs, whether it's joining the science clubs, exploring our talents in the arts, or hitting the courts of sports. There's something for everyone here! But junior high isn't just about academics. We'll also share what makes junior high special, the friendship we build, the memories we create, and the life skills we gain that prepare us for the future. Hey everyone! Today I'm taking you on a culinary tour of our school, where food isn't just about satisfying hunger. It's about fueling our day and connecting with friends. Both canteens offer something special, whether it's the familiar atmosphere of the main campus canteen or the modern, student-friendly vibe of the senior high canteen. So let's dig in and see what makes these canteens a big part of school life here at Bnas. Ready to snack? Let's go!
Whether you're grabbing a quick bite between classes or sitting down to chat with friends, the main campus canteen has the classic school canteen feel comforting, familiar, and full of energy.
Now, over at the senior high canteen, it's a whole different experience. As a senior high student, we get a wider range of options and a bit more spaces to relax and socialize. The food there is more catered to our growing needs, think healthy options, quick meals for busy schedules, and some favorite treats that make studying a little more enjoyable. Last, it's the perfect place to unwind during those free periods and catch up with friends.
Now I'm giving an exclusive look at the place where all big dreams and hard work come together, the senior high school building at Bnas. This is where we don't just learn, we prepare for the future step by step.
This building isn't just a place to study. It's a place where we transform our passions into skills and where we start building the foundations of our future. So come along with me and let's explore the heart of senior high at Bnas. Ready? Let's go!
From the moment you walk through the doors,
You can feel the energy and determination in the air. This building is where we challenge ourselves to think bigger, reach higher, and push our limits every day. Whether we're diving into complex subjects or working on projects that shape our future careers, this is the space that fuels our ambitions. The Baggao National Agricultural School fosters a culture of discipline, innovation, and environmental stewardship, preparing students to become responsible citizens and future leaders. Baggao National Agricultural School truly stands out as a place where dreams are cultivated and futures are built. Thanks for watching!
Kung makita, isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina.
Hi everyone! Wait lang. We are the Smart
We are the Smart Squad!